eWeLink Cube one-click installation on Windows. Prerequisites. Install eWeLink Cube with the one-click installer. Go to the Cube OS release page and download one-click installer for Windows. Run the installer as administrator. Find the installer file in Downloads or your chosen folder. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Let the installer check VirtualBox. The installer checks whether VirtualBox is available on your PC. If VirtualBox is not installed, follow the on-screen steps to install it first. Set virtual machine resources. Choose the virtual machine name, memory, and CPU cores. Select a bridged network adapter. If you use a Zigbee dongle, select the USB device from the list. If you do not need Zigbee now, skip this step. Start the installation. The installer extracts the required files and creates the Cube OS virtual machine automatically. Wait until the process finishes, then click Finish. Wait for Cube OS to start. After installation, the virtual machine starts automatically in VirtualBox. When boot completes, the console shows the Cube OS IP address. Open the Cube OS web console. Congratulations! Now you can start adding and managing your devices locally in Cube OS.